This is EduPublic YouTube channel. Let's start lesson number 12. The next alphabet is W. This is W. W की sound होती है W. W W. W W watch. W W watermelon. W W watch. W W watermelon. W is for watch. Watch. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W is for watch. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. Next alphabet is X. This is alphabet X. X की sound होती है X, 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 X-ray, X, X-ray, X, X-ray. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. X-ray, X, X-ray. W is for watch. Watch. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W is for watch. Watch. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X, X-ray, X, X-ray, X, X-ray. X is for X-ray. X, X-ray. X is for X-ray.